Welcome to our channel. If you want to add more channels or channel packages to your YouTube TV subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to customize your streaming experience with additional content. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app on your device or visit tv.youtube.com in a web browser. Sign into your YouTube TV account using your Google account credentials. Step 2. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and select Settings from the drop-down menu to access account settings. Step 3. Navigate to the Membership or Billing section in your settings. This is where you can view your current subscription plan and available add-ons. Step 4. Scroll down to see available premium networks and channel packages. YouTube TV offers add-ons like HBO Max, Showtime, Stars, Sports Plus, and Entertainment Plus. Step 5. Click Add next to any premium channel or package you want to subscribe to. Review the additional monthly cost for each add-on before confirming. Step 6. Confirm your selection by clicking Purchase or Add to Membership. The charge will be added to your monthly YouTube TV bill starting from your next billing cycle. Step 7. Wait a few moments for the new channels to appear in your channel lineup. You may need to refresh the app or restart it to see newly added channels. Step 8. Access your new channels through the Live tab or by using the search function. Added premium networks will also appear in your channel guide and library for easy access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.